We'll guide you through how to accept payments using Stripe. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. From here, look for the Settings then Payments tab on the top right side and click on it. This is where you'll manage all your payment transactions. To start accepting payments, you need to set up a payment method. Click on Payment Methods and you'll see a list of available options like credit cards, bank transfers, and more. Choose the methods you want to offer to your customers. Next, you need to integrate Stripe with your website or app. If you're using a platform like Shopify or WooCommerce, go to their settings and look for payment options. You'll find an option to connect your Stripe account. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection. If you're using a custom website, you'll need to use Stripe's API. Go to the Developers section in your Stripe dashboard and find the API keys. These keys are crucial for your integration. Use the publishable key and the secret key in your website's code to enable Stripe payments. Make sure your developers handle this part if you're not tech-savvy. Once everything is set up, you can start accepting payments. Your customers will see Stripe as a payment option at checkout. All transactions will be recorded in your Stripe dashboard under the Payments section. You can monitor these transactions, issue refunds if necessary, and even set up automatic payouts to your bank account. To ensure everything runs smoothly, it's a good idea to test your payment setup. Stripe provides a testing mode where you can simulate transactions without using real money. This helps you confirm that your integration is working correctly before going live. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully set up Stripe to accept payments. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.